Hello everyone, today I'll be making a review on the Logitech lift mouse. As you can see, I have it here and I'm going to unbox it. Let's grab the knife and let's open this up. Alright. Okay. I've never used one of these mouses, so this is my first time trying something out like this. Can't really get this open. Alright. Okay. So let's see what comes in the box. As you see, we have the mouse itself. Let's see what else. There's a box in here. I'm trying to take it out. Oh, nothing in there. Alright. Well, as you can see, you have the mouse. Weird looking mouse. First time I ever seen one of these. It looks sleek. It's mainly for like medium hands. So if you have big hands, of course, you won't be able to use it because it's kind of big. Oh, it's not too big, sorry. But this is what a regular mouse would look like, this shape. But this one is sideways. This is mine. If we compare it, this. Alright. Okay, so let's see what we have here. So as you see, it has the off and on button here, and I guess this is to change screens. But let's lift this up, and here we have a battery, so you don't have to buy a battery. It comes with a battery. And here you have your USB, which you connect to your PC. Okay, that's cool. Alright, as I said, I've never used one of these, so I'm gonna give it a try and see how it works. As I was using the mouse, I noticed that to open the back, all you have to just tap it and just take it out. And of course, you use USB goes here. Just plug that back in. Alright. Overall, I like it. It's unique in its own way. You know, it's a different form. I'll recommend this for people who don't really like regular mouses. If you are looking at documents all day and all you do is scroll up and down and, you know, go to different websites, pages, you know, you have this just lets you, you know, click back and forth. And of course you can customize it, and I'll show you how to do that with the application that is offered with this mouse. Okay guys, here's the app to configure the mouse. You can change a few things about it, so I'm gonna hit install. So I am here in the application. As you see, we have the mouse. If you want to read this, you can go ahead. This gives you different facts about the mouse, pointer speed, you can change that. The scroll wheel on this mouse is very light and sensitive, so watch out on that. It's good. Here it tells you everything about the mouse. Here you can customize the buttons, forward, back, change pointer. And here you have the point and scroll, easy switch, the flow, and then of course you can go to the settings. But there you go, this is the application to customize the mouse. Yeah, it's something unique and something different to try out if you are not, like I said, a big fan of regular mouses. And it's from Logitech, so highly recommended if you work at an office, business person as such. And of course, the instructions just tell you how to set it up and everything. So it's pretty straightforward. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe for more. I really appreciate it. Have a good day.